What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Look at these nice and beautiful question on the board that we're going to be solving. And the question says, for natural numbers a and b, find the value of a and b such that a squared minus b squared is equal to 49. Notice that we have two unknowns for one equation. But you know what makes this question easy? It is because of the given condition. A and B are natural numbers. Our first step would be for us to apply a property of difference of two squares. So the property of difference of two squares on the left hand side will be A plus B times A minus B. And this is equal to 49. So we have two factors which multiplies to give 49. And since A and B are natural numbers, obviously A plus B must be bigger than or equal to A minus B. Also, notice that since A and B are natural numbers, these two factors must be positive. So we are only going to focus on the positive factors of 49. So this becomes A plus B times A minus B equal to, so the positive factors of 49, we have 49 times 1, we have 7 times 7. So only the positive factors. And like we said, A plus B is bigger than or equal to A minus B. So we're going to be giving the bigger factor to A plus B and the smaller factor to A minus B. So let's go. So we have A plus B to be equal to a bigger factor, which is 49, and A minus B, so A minus B to be equal to the smaller factor, which is 1. So this is going to be our first case. And 7 times 7 will be our second case. So let's focus on the first case. Our next step will be for us to add these two equations. So let's add. A plus A is 2A, and B plus minus, that's minus, so B minus B is 0, equal to 49 plus 1 is 50. And to get the value for A, we divide both sides by the coefficient of A, which is 2. So divide the left hand side by 2 and divide the right hand side by 2. So 2 cancels 2, making A to be equal to 50 divided by 2 is 25. Now to get the value of B, we're going to be substituting the value of A in any of these equations. So I'll be putting it in equation 1, which is this very equation we have here. So A is 25 plus B, so plus B equal to 49. Our next step will be for us to move 25 to the right hand side. So we have B to be equal to 49. As 25 crosses to the right, it becomes minus 25. So that B becomes 49 minus 25 is 24. So the value of A and B we have here is equal to A is 25, while B is 24. This is for the first case. Now for the second case, let's write case 2 here. For the second case, we take A plus B to be equal to 7, and we take A minus B to be equal to this other factor, 7. So this is when A plus B is equal to A minus B. Now, applying the same principle, we're going to be adding these two equations. So let's add. A plus A gives 2A, while B plus minus B is 0, so no need of writing that, equal to 7 plus 7 is what? 14. Our next step will be for us to divide both sides by 2. So divide the left-hand side by 2 and divide the right-hand side by 2. So 2 divides 2 is 1. So we have A to be equal to, now 14 divided by 2 is 7. Now to get the value of B, we substitute this value of A in either of these equations. So I'm going to be choosing the first equation. So A is 7, so write 7 plus B equal to 7. So B will be equal to 7. Now move this 7 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 7, making the value of B to be equal to 7 minus 7 is 0. So the value of A and B from our second case is, the value of A is 7, while the value of B is 0. And this is our final answer. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.